Good morning everyone, it's Sam from Middle Age Magic. Today you may notice something different. I have my Christmas lights on, I have my Christmas ears on, I have my Mickey bells on, which can only mean one thing, it's Christmas in July. Today's video is a collab between our channel and I think it's 8 other channels. Their descriptions and links will be left in the description box below. We have all come together to help celebrate Christmas in July. This is a 2-day collab. We're only going to be taking part in day 1, which is the 24th of July, today. And I'm going to be talking about Mickey decorations, Disney decorations. If, like myself, you have a Disney tree, we have 2 trees in our house. We have the main tree and then I have my Disney tree. And on that tree there are all the decorations I've bought in Disney parks or Disney decorations I've bought from other places over the years. On that tree I've also got some handmade Disney decorations that I'm going to be showing you today, and also how to make them, because a lot of them are really simple. Tomorrow's videos for the channels who are taking part are all Christmas recipes. So if you want to bake something that will remind you of Christmas in the heady warmth of July. It's not so warm in the UK today, we're a little bit gloomy and grey and we've had a lot of rain. But if you want to bring that Christmas feeling into your home in July, you can do that tomorrow by following the channels down below, and that will help you get your Christmas recipes ready. So as I said, today I am going to show you my handmade Disney decorations and also how to make them, because a lot of them are very simple but look really effective. So with no further ado, let's roll with how I make my handmade decorations, and this will help you get ready for Christmas and get you in the Christmas spirit. These decorations I made with our first visit button and also the button I got for the 25th birthday in Disneyland Paris. These are very simple to make. You take your button, you cut a circle of cardboard. I used foam board because it was the one thing I had. I then glued the two together, put some ribbon around the edge to hide the join, put some cord around the top as a hanging loop, and hey presto, you have personalised Disney decorations for your tree. The next decoration is so simple that you can even let the kids do this one. Take a red bauble, then either some black paint or even a black Sharpie or other permanent marker, colour in the top half black, and then glue 2 buttons to the front. I used white buttons, but you could use yellow buttons, and there you have a Mickey Christmas decoration for your Disney tree. Now this requires a little bit of sewing, but they are so easy to do. I found these patterns on Pinterest, and you just print the pattern out, cut felt out using the patterns, sew around the edges. Now I had some actual toy stuffing in my craft stash, so you just pad them out with a little bit of stuffing. If you don't have the stuffing, you can use cotton wool because they're not going to get wet. But then you have some very cute, very soft felt Disney decorations for your tree. There are loads of patterns on Pinterest, so pop over to there and find your Disney patterns. So there we have 3 very easy Christmas decorations that you can make to spice up your Disney Christmas tree. So the pin badge ones are really easy to make, and I love them because then it's, you know, a personalised bit of our Disney trips on our Disney tree. The second ones are great for the kids to make, and get inventive with them. You could do a Donald one or a Daisy one, just, you know, using coloured baubles and some permanent markers or a bit of paint. And the third one, as I said, go to Pinterest. You will find lots of patterns, and they're just made using felt. If you don't want to sew them, you could glue around the edges just to keep them in place. As I said, that was a Maleficent one you saw. I've also got a Tangled one, So lots and lots of patterns that you can use. As I said, this is a collab with about 8 other channels. All their links can be found in the description box below. Please go and have a look at their Christmas in July videos. This is the first day, the 24th of July, and today is all crafts, collections, everything Disney Christmas. And tomorrow, as I said, we won't be joining in that one, but others will be, and that is the Christmas recipe day, 25th of July. 5 months till Christmas. It's going to be here soon, so get your bells on. Thank you for watching. If you've liked us, pop a like button. Don't be shy with that one, just give it a press. And also please subscribe and you'll be informed of when we release new videos. So we've got a couple of trips to Disneyland Paris coming up. We've got the mega trip in February, which we are all excited about. And yeah, happy holidays. See you all again soon. Bye.